Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send an email on Microsoft products. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically now, all you will be needing to do is to go to the Outlook so you can be able to start or to send a new email or to start creating a new email. And basically you can do it either from your web browser by going to the Microsoft 365 and basically you will be needing or make sure that you are connected to your account and then go to Outlook, or you can do it simply from the app by going to the start menu and go to Outlook and it will be the same result. So from here you will find new message and you will need just to click on new message or new email. From here or basically here you will choose the email that you want to send the email for. So you can just add recipient email and it can be whatever. And I'm just going to choose here. And basically here you add the subject of the email, test email. And basically now you will be able to start adding your email. My uh, email body. And basically Outlook will add or give you a variety of options so you can use to edit or formatting your email. You can choose like the font, you can do whatever, and also you will be able to have like mini formatting uh, features from alignment, adding some mathematic things or whatever. And basically at the end, you will be also start adding some attached files, links, etc. And you can also start adding a signature to your uh, email. And at the end, you will need just to click on send. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.